Ever wondered what makes men really fall for someone? It's more than just looks or charm. There's a lot more to it. Today, we'll talk about 8 traits that men find absolutely irresistible in women. These are deeper qualities that can truly captivate a man's heart. By understanding and embracing these traits, you could change your dating life. We often think that beauty and charisma attract men, but there's so much more beneath the surface. Men look for qualities that go beyond physical appearance. They want traits that make a strong and meaningful connection. In this video, we'll explain why each trait is appealing to men and how you can develop them in your own life. Whether you're dating, in a relationship, or just curious, these insights can help you understand what men truly value in a partner. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a new perspective on what makes you truly attractive. These tips are easy to apply and can give you the confidence to enhance your natural qualities and connect with men on a deeper level. Get ready to learn the secrets that can change your approach to dating and relationships. Let's dive in. Number 8, irresistible confidence. Men like women who are sure of themselves. It's about knowing your value and not being scared to show it. Confidence isn't being too full of yourself. It's a calm, strong presence that makes people respect and like you. When you walk into a room feeling confident, people notice. You act differently, with a quiet strength that makes others pay attention. It's not about being loud or flashy. It's about having a calm inner power that shows in everything you do and say. Confidence is like a magnet that draws people to you. It's not just about how you look. It's about the vibe you give off. When you believe in yourself, others believe in you too. Confidence isn't about being flawless. It's about being okay with who you are. It's about accepting your imperfections and owning them proudly. When you're totally yourself, others can't help but like you for it. Number 7, authentic charm. When it comes to charm, being genuine is key. Men really appreciate women who stay true to themselves, who aren't afraid to show their true colors. Authenticity is about embracing all aspects of who you are, the quirks, the imperfections, and everything in between. And you know what? That authenticity is what makes you relatable and endearing. Think about it. When you're not putting on an act, when you're just being you, it creates a sense of trust and connection. People can see that you're not trying to be someone you're not, and that's refreshing. It's like a breath of fresh air in a world where so many people are trying to be something they're not. So, don't be afraid to let your true self shine. Embrace your uniqueness, because that's what makes you truly charming. And remember, authenticity is the foundation of deep and meaningful connections. Number 6, emotional magnetism. Understanding feelings and empathizing with others is really important in any relationship. Guys really appreciate it when girls can get how they feel, talk well, and deal with problems calmly and gracefully. When you're emotionally smart, you're ready to build a strong foundation for your relationship. It helps you have meaningful talks, share your feelings openly, and really bond with your partner. Being emotionally smart doesn't mean you'll never have issues or argument. Instead, it helps you handle them with maturity and understanding, which brings you closer and builds trust in your relationship. Number 5, unwavering support. Being there for your partner, no matter what, is like being their strong support in tough time. It's super important in any relationship because it shows that you've got their back through everything. Guys really appreciate women who give unwavering support. When you're supportive, it makes your relationship feel safe and trustworthy. Your partner knows they can rely on you, whether they're happy or facing challenges. Your support gives both of you strength, helping you face life's highs and lows together. Support also means cheering your partner on in their dreams and goals. It's about believing in them and encouraging them to go after what they want. Your unwavering support boosts their confidence and lets them shine. So, never underestimate the power of being there for your partner. Whether it's listening, comforting, or cheering them on, your support means everything. It's what keeps your relationship strong and growing every day. Number 4, playful spirit. Having a playful spirit is like adding a splash of color to a relationship canvas. It's incredibly attractive because it shows that you're not afraid to let loose and have some fun. Men absolutely adore women who can inject joy and laughter into their lives. Think about it. When you're playful, it adds a whole new level of excitement to your dynamic together. It's like having your own secret language of inside jokes and silly moments that only the two of you share. This playfulness keeps the relationship fresh and vibrant, preventing it from ever becoming dull or routine. Being playful shows that you're not afraid to be yourself and enjoy the little things in life. It's a reminder to both you and your partner that even in the midst of life's stresses and challenges, there's always room for laughter and lightheartedness. Number 3, independent strength. Having your own strength is like being your own superhero. It's important in any relationship because it shows you're strong on your own. Men like women who have their own lives and can stand tall independently. When you're strong, it gives confidence and stability to your relationship. Your partner sees you're not relying on them for happiness or success, which is attractive. It creates a good balance where both partners can do well on their own and together. Being independent also means having your own interests and goals outside the relationship. It's about chasing your dreams and being true to yourself, even when you're in a relationship. Your strength inspires your partner and makes your bond stronger. So don't be afraid to be strong on your own. It's what makes you special and adds strength to your relationship. Being strong alone only makes your partnership better. Number 2, nurturing warmth. Being warm and caring is like giving someone a big hug when they need it most. It's really important in any relationship because it shows you deeply care about the other person. Guys like women who are kind and compassionate. When you're nurturing, it makes your relationship feel safe and cozy. Your partner feels loved and supported, knowing you're always there for them. It helps build a strong connection based on trust. Being nurturing also means being understanding and caring towards your partner and others. It's about being a good listener and comforting them when they're down. Your warmth makes your relationship happier and more satisfying. So, being kind and caring is key in your relation. It's what makes your bond special and brings joy to both of you. Being there for each other makes your relationship stronger. Number 1, radiant positivity. Having radiant positivity is like bringing sunshine into someone's day, even on the cloudiest of days. It's really important in any relationship because it shows you have a bright outlook on life. Men love women who have a positive vibe and spread happiness wherever they go. When you're radiantly positive, it lifts the mood and brings joy to your relationship. Your partner feels uplifted and encouraged, knowing that you always see the good in things. It creates a happy and optimistic atmosphere that strengthens your bond. Being positive also means looking on the bright side and finding the silver lining in every situation. It's about being a source of encouragement and support for your partner. Even during tough times, your positivity brightens your relationship and makes it more fulfilling. So, never underestimate the power of radiant positivity in your relationship. It's what makes your connection special and brings happiness to both of you. Remember, staying positive and hopeful can make even the toughest challenges seem manageable. Here's an end of this video. The 8 feminine traits that men are truly addicted to. Remember, these traits are not about changing who you are, but embracing and enhancing the best parts of yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more dating insights. Thanks for watching. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below about which trait you believe is the most crucial in a relationship. We value your input and would love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, stay confident and stay authentic.